Economic Crisis 2023. Is Silicon Valley Bank crisis worse than the 2008 crisis? Hello and welcome to Investing Catch-up channel, where we discuss the latest economic news and trends that impacts investing and finance. Today, we are going to talk about the economic crisis of 2023 and whether Silicon Valley Bank crisis is worse than the 2008 financial crisis. As we all know, the world is going through an economic crisis, and many experts predict that it will be worse than the 2008 financial crisis. The COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted the global economy, and it has affected almost every sector, including banking and finance. Now, let's talk about the Silicon Valley Bank crisis. According to recent reports, Silicon Valley Bank, which is one of the largest banks in the US, is facing a financial crisis. The bank has been hit hard by the pandemic, and its loan portfolio has been severely affected. The bank's exposure to the technology sector has also contributed to its woes, as the tech sector has not performed as well as it was expected to. The bank had $170 billion in deposits at the end of last year, with roughly $151 billion sitting outside of FDIC coverage. This means that many affluent people and corporations may go bankrupt. Because thousands of tech startups relied on Silicon Valley Bank for banking services, this crisis is being called extinction level for the industry. Reportedly, this is the second largest bank failure in the entire history of the United States. Both crises have been caused by a shock to the global economy. In 2008, it was the housing market crash, and in 2023, it is the COVID-19 pandemic. Both crises have also led to a decline in consumer and investor confidence, which has further impacted the situation. Differences. One of the main differences between the two crises is the scale of the problem. In 2008 financial crisis was a global crisis that affected almost every sector of the economy, whereas the Silicon Valley Bank crisis is mainly limited to the banking and finance sector. Another difference is the response of the government and central banks. In 2008, the government and central banks injected trillions of dollars into the economy to stimulate growth, but this time around, the response has been more measured. In conclusion, while the Silicon Valley Bank crisis is a cause for concern, it is not as severe as the 2008 financial crisis. The global economy is better equipped to deal with the crisis now than it was in 2008, and the response of the government and central banks has been more targeted and effective. However, the situation is still evolving, and it remains to be seen how the economy will perform in the coming months. We will continue to monitor the situation and bring you the latest updates. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Also, feel free to share your thoughts and comments on the topic in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.